A lot of people get trapped in the idea that they are nothing more than ordinary. Salarymen, simple teachers, students, office workers, and many may feel like their professions or lack of a fancy title may mean they are meant to be a follower. They couldn't be more wrong. Leadership comes in many shapes and sizes. Its qualities are subtle. Here are signs that you are a remarkably good leader. You lead when you are needed to. You lead for a cause, not a promotion. You break the rules. You speak out. You know your team. You appoint the right people to the right posts. You give credit where it's due. You are extremely accountable. You trust your intuition. Your positivity is contagious. You are a good listener. And lastly, you inspire others to change. Please follow us on our social media accounts. Thank you for watching.